welcome. Another episode, question 10. A trader gave a change of 540 naira instead of 570 naira to a customer. We have to calculate the percentage error. What is the error being incurred? We know percentage error is the error made over total, the actual amount, in this case money. So the error amount over the actual amount times 100, that's the percentage. So we can just go ahead and find the error or the change. Let's just say the change in this amount is going to be 570 minus 540. I think that will be 30, right? So you're going to have 30 naira. So this is the change that is supposed to be between what's supposed to be and what the trader gave out. Now, don't forget the change is always, we pick the absolute value. We pick the absolute value of that change. So in this case, even though we are having the original, which is supposed to be this, then this is what the person gave out. So in some cases, it could be 540 minus what? 570. It will still be 30, even though it will be negative. Negative 30, the absolute value of that will give you only 30. So that means that our error percentage or error percent is going to be the error incurred, which in this case will be 30 divided by what is the actual amount that the trader is supposed to give. It's supposed to be this, meaning the customer receive less than what he or she is supposed to receive. So this is the actual, this is the base. So that will be 570 times 100. That's the percentage. So we know this, we'll cancel this. I believe this will go here 1, go here 19, right? 19, 1, 27, so 19. So we'll be having 1 times 100 will still remain 100. So let's say our error percent will be 100 divided by 19. And 19 will go into 100, I think 5 times. Then we have 5 out of 4, 19%. We can get that also as decimal on our calculator. You can get that at 5.26%. 5.26%, or in the fraction form, a mixed fraction form as we are seeing it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.